My video guide is dedicated to help you remove fake alerts that come from the site Howgrewchi.live. Howgrewchi.live is a malicious website that displays fake Amazon loyalty program alerts. Currently, these pop-ups are presented in French, so they are titled as Amazon Programme de Fidélité. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They are not related to Amazon. The real purpose of all these pop-ups is to trick visitors into participating in this fake survey. The pop-up indicates that you have a chance of winning some great prize, such as iPhone 13 Pro or some other top gadget. But, as I said before, the real mission of all these pop-ups is to force you into actually downloading and installing some malware, or the purpose is to collect your personal details. It may depend on various factors, but eventually after this fake survey you may be either redirected to some malicious website, and if you share your personal data, it may be granted to third parties absolutely illegally. So don't interact with these pop-ups. They are faulty, they are deceptive, they are not related to Amazon. I would recommend you to carefully research your available applications. If you find any suspicious items, get rid of them. Also, I would recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. There may be a lot of other hidden malware, such as these pop-ups, in the form of push notifications. They may point you to many deceptive or filthy websites. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you very well to clean your computer and your browser from all this malware. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.